Here we have a 69 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We also have the LED headlights, the gloss black front kidney grills. We have the M Performance kit as well on this vehicle, which includes the gloss black front splitter, making the front end look nice and aggressive. We do also have the blue exterior paintwork. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked. If you just take a closer look here, you can see we have the blue M Sport brake calipers as well just behind. We also have the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the colour-coded shark fin antennae. We do also have the GRAN Coupe badging on the back windows just here on both sides. We also have the front and rear parking sensors as well, with a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser and the twin pipe exhaust at the back, power operated tailgate. If we press this button here on the remote, then you can see the boot opens just like so. And inside of here you can see we have plenty of space. We also have the parcel shelf running up there as well. We have a button up here, so we can press the button and then it will close the boot back down just like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, inside of the back you find the full black leather interior. We have the fixed ISO points back here. We also have the foldable armrest in the centre, got the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. At the front, the same full black leather interior, with both front seats being electrically adjustable. They're also both heated. Driver's side has the memory function. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, we have the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel with the paddle shifters on either side. Just take a seat inside, you'll find we have the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up for us. Got speed to cruise control just here on the left hand side, and we are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard. We also have the heads up display just up here. If that's flickering or if any other screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. You've got the main screen in the centre. Many features on here with these shortcuts, so click onto media, you'll find the media. We also have these other options to the left. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We do also have the different drive modes, so you find Eco Pro, we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus with the sport displays. Moving further down you find the climate control, got the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning all working as they should do. We also have the automatic gearbox. Again, we've got the different drive mode buttons just there. We've got the cup holders underneath here, the 12-volt connectivity. If you put the car into reverse, then you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the manual handbrake and also the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode you can simply just tap on the paddles and then it will change gear. Got the cruise control and speed buttons here on the left hand side, the volume and the Bluetooth phone connectivity on the right. We also have the digital screen trip computer in the centre of the dashboard which can show different displays. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully as well for the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. We do have the full leather seats, really comfortable, easy to do 2-3. Within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. With both front seats being heated, it's perfect for them cold winter mornings, and they're also both electrically adjustable. The driver's side having the memory function, again, it just adds to that comfort level. Now we do also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control, the air-to-cold air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth throughout all the gears. Also has all the different drive modes as well. We do have the heads-up display just in front of us, which is currently showing the digital speedometer. It's also showing the speed limit for this road as well. Now here at our car sales, we do pride ourselves on having over 800 5-star reviews across Google and also Autotrader. We do also offer free nationwide next day delivery, so if you're not local to us and you need the car delivering to your house or place of work, we do offer that free of charge. In a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, where I will perform an emergency stop, put the car into reverse, just to show the brakes and also to show the parking sensors work as they should do. So we've got our right indicator on, we're slowing down, waiting for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So wait for this last car to go past, and then we make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.